Are you tired of spending hours on end perfecting your designs? Do you wish there was a way to speed up your workflow and create stunning graphics with ease? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll be discussing the top AI design software tools that are revolutionizing the way we approach creativity and design. From automatically generating layouts and color palettes to turning sketches into vector graphics and wireframes into code, these tools are the ultimate solution for any designer looking to take their work to the next level. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. The first one is Adobe Sensei. Adobe Sensei is an AI platform that powers many of Adobe's creative tools, including Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. It uses machine learning algorithms to enable features such as automatic image selection and masking, automatic layout generation, and the ability to colorize black and white photos. Adobe Sensei is a powerful tool for designers looking to streamline their workflow and take advantage of the latest AI technology. Overall, Adobe Sensei is a powerful tool for designers looking to streamline their workflow and take advantage of the latest AI technology. It can help you create stunning graphics and visuals more quickly and efficiently, freeing up time for other parts of your design process. And the second is Wizard. Wizard is a tool that allows you to turn hand-drawn sketches into fully functional wireframes and prototypes. It uses machine learning algorithms to understand your drawings and turn them into digital assets that you can use in your design process. This makes it a great tool for designers looking to quickly prototype ideas or create wireframes for websites and applications. With Wizard, you can easily sketch out ideas and see them come to life in digital format. The tool is user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy for designers of all skill levels to use. Additionally, Wizard supports multiple input methods including touch, mouse, and stylus, making it versatile and adaptable to a variety of workflows. And the third is Designs.ai. Designs.ai is a tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate custom design concepts and mockups based on your input and preferences. It is designed to help designers save time and effort in the early stages of the design process by quickly generating a range of options for them to choose from. To use Designs.ai, you simply input your desired design goals such as the style, layout, and color scheme, and the tool generates a range of options for you to choose from. You can then review and refine these options until you find a design that meets your needs. The tool uses machine learning algorithms to understand your preferences and generate designs that are tailored to your specific goals. Designs.ai is a powerful tool for designers who want to streamline their workflow and explore a range of design options without having to spend a lot of time and effort creating mockups from scratch. It can be particularly useful for designers who are working on multiple projects and need to quickly generate a range of design options in order to meet tight deadlines. Overall, Designs.ai is a valuable tool for anyone looking to save time and effort in the design process while still creating high-quality designs. And the fourth is Fronti. Fronti is an AI-powered tool that helps designers create custom front-end design templates for websites and applications. It uses machine learning algorithms to understand the design elements that users input, such as layout, color scheme, and font, and generates a range of options for users to choose from. This can be a time-saving tool for designers who want to quickly create custom templates for their projects, as they can explore and refine different ideas before committing to a final design. In addition to generating design templates, Fronti also allows users to export their designs as HTML and CSS code, making it easy to turn their designs into functional prototypes. Overall, Fronti is a versatile tool that can help designers streamline their workflow and create professional quality front-end designs. And the fifth is Chroma. Chroma is a tool that uses AI to help you create custom color palettes for your designs. It is specifically designed to assist with color selection and ensure that your designs are cohesive and well-balanced. To use Chroma, you simply input a few reference images that contain the colors you want to use in your design. The tool will then generate a range of color options for you to choose from based on the colors and the reference images. You can use these options as a starting point for your design or further refine them to create your desired color palette. One of the benefits of using Chroma is that it takes the guesswork out of color selection. It can be difficult to manually create a cohesive color palette, especially if you are working with a lot of different colors or trying to match specific hues. Chroma takes the guesswork out of this process, generating options that are already harmonious and well-balanced. This can save designers a lot of time and effort in the color selection process and help to ensure that their designs are visually appealing. Overall, Chroma is a useful tool for any designer looking to create cohesive and well-balanced color palettes for their designs. Whether you are working on branding, website design, or any other type of project, Chroma can help you create a professional-looking and visually appealing color scheme. And the sixth is AutoDraw. AutoDraw is a tool that uses AI to transform your rough sketches into polished vector graphics. It is designed to be easy to use with a simple interface that allows you to draw your desired image using a mouse or touchscreen. As you draw, AutoDraw uses machine learning algorithms to automatically clean up your lines and convert your sketch into a professional-looking graphic. This can be a great time saver for designers who want to quickly turn rough ideas into polished graphics, or for those who may not have advanced drawing skills. In addition to its sketching capabilities, AutoDraw also includes a library of pre-drawn images that you can use in your designs, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of design projects. And the seventh is Deep Artifex. Deep Artifex is a tool that uses AI to transform your images into works of art, using the styles of famous artists like Van Gogh and Monet. Simply input your desired image and Deep Artifex will generate a range of options for you to choose from, allowing you to turn your photos into stunning works of art. The tool uses machine learning algorithms to analyze the style and techniques of famous artists and apply them to your images, creating unique and expressive works of art. This can be a fun and creative way to add a unique twist to your designs or to create beautiful pieces of art from your own photos. Deep Artifex is easy to use and requires no prior artistic knowledge or skill, making it a great tool for designers and artists of all levels. And the eighth is Let's Enhance. Let's Enhance is a tool that uses AI to improve the quality of your images, removing noise and increasing resolution. It works by analyzing your input image and using machine learning algorithms to remove any noise or blur, as well as upscaling the image to a higher resolution. This can be particularly useful for designers working with low-quality or noisy images, as it can help to improve the overall look and feel of their designs. To use Let's Enhance, simply upload your desired image and the tool will generate a high-quality version for you to use in your designs. It's quick and easy to use, making it a great option for designers looking to improve the quality of their images without spending a lot of time and effort. And the ninth is Remove.bg. Remove.bg is a tool that uses AI to automatically remove the background from images, making it easy to isolate objects and create transparent PNGs. Simply upload your desired image and Remove.bg will generate a version with the background removed in just a few seconds. This can be particularly useful for designers who need to isolate specific elements from an image, such as a product or person, or for those who want to create transparent PNGs for use in other design projects. Remove.bg is fast and easy to use, making it a great tool for designers looking to quickly remove backgrounds from their images. And the 10th is Sketch2 Code. Sketch2 Code is a tool that uses AI to turn hand-drawn wireframes into HTML and CSS code. Simply draw your desired wireframe and Sketch2 Code will generate the code for you, making it easy to turn your designs into functional prototypes. This can be a great time saver for designers who want to quickly turn their ideas into functional prototypes, or for those who may not have advanced coding skills. Sketch2 Code is particularly useful for designers who work in an agile development environment, as it allows them to quickly iterate and test ideas without the need for extensive coding work. So, thanks for watching our list of the top AI design software tools. We hope you found this video helpful and that it has given you some ideas for how you can incorporate AI into your design workflow. If you'd like to learn more about these tools or try them out for yourself, be sure to check out the links in the description. And if you have any other AI design tools that you think we should know about, leave a comment below and let us know. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with our future content, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We'll be bringing you more videos just like this one, so don't miss out. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.